Okay, this is my my Align body, which is the MD500. I got it from Hobby Shop. Beautiful body, stunning, made by Align. The helicopter that's in the Align body is a JR 500 electric. Just thought I had to put that in, and then what the main thing of this is that we fitted lights. Did a separate switch on the outside, so and a separate battery, so we don't use the main supply. And the switch power is here, and I fitted a small little battery, a 7.4 volt, just to operate the lights. And let's just switch, and we'll switch on lights. Starboard and port, beacon at the bottom, strobe at the top, one at the back, and your back tail. And if we switch off the lights now, she'll look just like that. But very nice kit. Very nice kit from Align. Thank you, folks.